This video tutorial I will explain how to connect to EC2 instance on AWS using WinSCP by using FTP protocol. Go to this WinSCP website. WinSCP is nothing but it is a free SFTP, SCP, S3 and FTP client for Windows. Click on download WinSCP. It is downloading now. And here you can see the confirmation box, and it is saying you have stored session or sites in PuTTY SSH client. Do you want to import them into WinSCP? Click on no. And WinSCP is successfully installed and it is launched successfully. And here you can see WinSCP shortcut. And it is opened successfully. Here I have logged into Amazon EC2 console, and here you can see Amazon EC2 instance is running. And click on this checkbox, and here you will get public IPv4 address. Copy this. That is your host name. Port number is 22, and to get username, click on connect, and here you can see the username is EC2-user. Next, click on advanced, and under SSH you can find authentication. Click on this. Here select the PUM file which we have downloaded when we launched the instance. Select this PEM file. Click on OK, and it is generating PPK file. Click on save. Click on OK, and the PPK file path is given here. If you check, the PPK file has been generated. Click on OK, and you can save these details for future login. Click on OK, and here you can see. Click on login, and here you can see it is successfully logged into the particular EC2 instance. And if you want to transfer some file from your local machine to EC2 instance, that we can do. And here you can see the text file has been transferred, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Close this. Open WinSCP again. Click on edit, and host name, this time we will provide public DNS name. Delete this. Click on this instance ID, and here you will get public DNS name. Copy this, paste it here, and already in advanced in authentication, the PPK file has been mentioned. Save these changes, click on login, and it is successfully logged into the Amazon EC2 instance. And if you want to transfer the file, you can do that. And if you want to delete it, click on delete. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.